Hi, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, you will learn about the deep learning in Industry 4.0. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start. Introduction. The commercial zone faces new demanding situations and adjustments within the surroundings each day, all with restrained resources, which need to be exploited to the most so one can attain extra with less. The emergence of recent technology primarily based totally on digitalization opens up a window of opportunities and possibilities for optimization in no way earlier than skilled within the zone, adopting the call Industry 4.0. To this end, it's far crucial to collect, apprehend, and make clever use of the massive quantity of records generated within the commercial enterprise surroundings, invoicing, manufacturing, procurement, human component, power materials protracted, etc. In this digitization of factories, Industry 4.0 makes use of the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, as an automobile for the relationship and waft of records, and it's far feasible to apply control and management systems that comprise machine learning for the optimization of strategies primarily based totally on artificial intelligence studying. But in this route to the future, a brand new method has emerged that is going one step further: deep learning. What is deep learning? With illustration studying, deep studying needs to be a primary part of device studying strategies supported via way of means of synthetic neural networks. It's a class of device studying algorithms and a subset of device studying. Deep studying fashions are supported via way of means of synthetic neural networks, ANN. Artificial neural networks, ANN, are computing systems. It's supported by a fixed of linked nodes referred to as synthetic neurons. Artificial neurons are standard devices in an artificial neural network, ANN. A synthetic neuron gets one or extra inputs and sums them to deliver output. The sum is a professional switch feature that takes the form of different nonlinear functions. Deep phrase in deep studying refers back to the number of layers through which the information is transformed. Different layers might also additionally carry out distinctive kinds of ameliorations on their inputs. Signals circulate from the primary, enter, to the last, output, layer. Deep learning in Industry 4.0. Beyond machine learning. Deep learning makes use of systems just like the employer of the fearful gadget through layers of processing devices that act like synthetic neurons. In different words, in place of organizing records through equations predefined via way of means of a human, deep learning trains the gadget to learn how to come across the present traits of the perceived factors on its very own. The differentiating component of this unsupervised device studying is that, even as device studying is based on the amount and pleasant of records furnished via way of means of a human to affirm styles of action, deep studying is capable of coming across the pleasant of the records on its very own with none earlier configuration. Simply with the entered records and the essential training, this gadget can alter the networks that manner the perceived data via way of means of drawing its very own conclusions in an accurate way. This distinction makes it a quicker and extra green gadget that facilitates making higher choices in all commercial strategies. By operating with neural networks just like the employer of the fearful gadget, deep learning is capable of analyzing unstructured records fast and reliably, which has sizable programs in Industry 4.0. Applications of deep learning in Industry 4.0. Applications of deep learning in Industry 4.0. Deep learning has many programs in Industry 4.0. This automation of commercial strategies has sizable opportunities in a massive quantity of sectors consisting of finance or healthcare, as additionally as the chemical, agri-food, ceramics, oil, and fuel line industries, amongst others. This gadget is presently taken into consideration to be the Great Records Classifier, which makes it a completely exciting generation to enforce in factories in search of to distinguish themselves from their competitors. Some of the applications of deep learning in Industry 4.0 are recognizing new components inside the manufacturing gadget. Deep learning can come across components that have now no longer been perceived earlier. Thanks to synthetic neuron networks, the gadget learns from the one's picks that it already knows, being capable of coming across that it's far a brand new element while not having to signify it. Intelligent fault detection. Once this gadget learns, it may understand defects in length or form while not having to classify all of the feasible variables. Through deep learning, the detection of producing defects is completely automated. Secure authentication of getting the right of entry to facilities. Automatic biometric reputation to assure safety in buildings, rooms with touchy records, plant get right of entry to in different regions of the facilities. Control of the number of inputs inside the delivery chain for the manufacture of components, way to its superior reputation gadget and interconnection with the manufacturing network.